heading up towards Picture Rocks. We're stuck behind a Pepsi truck. This should be a great week, great weather. Everything's loaded up. Yeah, cool. Well, the Taj Mahal is totally set up for the week. We got the hammock up, we got the solar, we got 500 watts going into everything. Everything is staying charged. We got the full kitchen set up. Tent, absolutely. We're gonna go for a bike ride. Got all the toys with us, and they run around, make this short. There we go. Get the shower. We got the toilet. Yep. Boy, talk about glamping. Yesterday went good. Got here, fell asleep in my hammock looking at the moon and the stars. Oh, what a way to go. Made some homemade pizza. Turned out awesome in my Dutch oven. So yeah, and we're going for a bike ride today. What we are doing, we're gonna scramble up a couple eggs here. Oh, throw some peppers in there. Throw some butter, cheese, eggs, stuff like that with the bacon. And there we have it. Okay, so what do we do when we're at a camping area for 7 days and we yes, we go kayaking, we go exploring, we go dirt bike riding, we go Harley riding, we go mountain biking, we drink a lot of beer, and we rest. But we also do wire harnessing. So I put the switch here. No, we're improving the truck. We are hooking up these lights. Yes, we're hooking up awesome lights, dude. So we mounted the button. So we mounted the button right there, and we ran it up and through the hood, and we're going right here, connection, which I'll probably cover, but going through there to the battery. We're gonna hook it up. We're gonna flip the light because the wiring is on this side, so I gotta flip it on the other side. So I have the power, I have the tools. So we're gonna flip that sucker, and we're gonna drill a hole right here to mount this puppy, like probably right there. So we can hook it up to the positive and negative. We're gonna run this cable up and through, and we'll probably run it somewhere here and up to the light. Da, da, da. Did you get all that? Okay. Stay tuned. See ya. Peace out. Day 3. Oh, I had to charge up the truck this morning. I always have to do that about every 3 days just because I'm in and out of the truck so much. going for a little bike ride. Had an awesome breakfast, hash browns, bacon, a couple of eggs, over easy. Deliciosos. Kept it simple last night. Had chicken teriyaki. That was pretty good. All right, enjoying the day. Probably jump on the kayak this afternoon. But I did wire up my light bar. Yay! So that's all done. Cool! Guys, tonight for dinner, we're doing a little angel hair pasta with some... Oh, I gotta go get it out of the refrigerator. We're doing some shrimp, scallops, Alfredo sauce with garlic. We're gonna throw a little cheese in there, and we're gonna do a little stir fry. Mixed vegetables. Ooh, ooh la la, ooh la la la. Oh, where's my cowboy hat at? Oh, next time. Okay, because I just took a shower. Oh, 3 days, you start smelling yourself as like, okay, I need a shower. So, yes, that's what we are cooking up tonight. And actually, if you guys don't have like a kettle or something to boil your pasta in, coffee thing works awesome, because then you can just like pour the water out and you got noodles. Okay, so stay tuned. Got angel hair pasta with stir fry with shrimp. With Alfredo sauce, I should say. Oh my God, it is absolutely to die for. This is going to be easily 2 meals. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to finish this up. And the beer complements it big time. I'm going to finish this up. Talk to you guys later. Peace out. Sweet ride today. Wow. I got muddy and I got wet. And there's a ton of trails up here by Picture Rocks. So especially if you got a dirt bike or if you got ATV, anything like that. All right, I've got a craving for some flapjacks, pancakes. So I got to cook up these sausages. This is going to make a great dinner for the next 2 days. I got about 4 more eggs left after this, and we are still eating chocolate cake for dessert. But we've got raspberry syrup with pancakes. Breakfast for dinner. On tonight, we have corn on the cob. We're going to boil her up in there. We got some butter on it. We're cutting up some tomatoes. We're mixing it up with some bell peppers, onions, 3 kinds of bell peppers, onions, garlic, butter. We've got Spanish rice we're cooking up. Rice-a-roni. Ooh. And here we're going to throw in some peanut oil. We're going to slice up the walleye here, and we're going to season it up very nicely. We're going to fry that up. So we've got corn on the cob. Oh, and don't forget the pita bread. So we're going to put some cheese on that, put some seasonings. We're going to use a vinaigrette oil to dip it in. Ooh la la. And we got some tartar sauce. So should be a fantastic meal. All right, guys, we are having tropical fruit salad, wildflower honey from Rob tonight, and it is going to definitely go awesome with this walleye. We got some pita bread, corn on the cob, and Spanish rice. Okay, let's see how this is. I tried a new recipe on the walleye this time, so yep. Ho 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 ho. Most awesome. Bread turned out good. I should have toasted it on both sides before I actually melted the cheese on it. But still, it turned out pretty good. It turned out really good. Now that is what you talk about camping right. Rode the dirt bike, went kayaking, rode the mountain bike a couple times. I didn't have breakfast or lunch because I knew I was going to have this. So, Ryan, thank you for the walleye. It turned out awesome. Extremely flaky. I cooked that just right, man. That is awesome. We got bell peppers in the Spanish rice. We got tomatoes, onions, garlic. Yes. Phenomenal dinner. Too bad I don't have anybody to enjoy it with. That's okay. Guys want the recipe? Watch the video. I gotta go. I gotta rock out and eat this dinner. Peace out. So now you tell me, what are we having?
You found him.
Good morning, or I should say good afternoon, guys. Had an awesome camping trip. Went up there for about a week, six days. Yeah, I was going to stay 7. I got a couple things I got to take. Plus, I messed up and put only 6 nights in there in the camping slot. So I could have did another night, but I'm running low on beer and food. Actually, I got plenty of food. Everything was dry, so I think they're actually calling for rain-ish tomorrow, so it would have been like, I had a great time, met a bunch of fantastic people. They all love the rig, of course, Camping Russ. I want a pizza anyway. So we are heading back to Alpena. This trip wasn't really a touristy thing. I wanted to get out, make sure everything worked properly that I fixed for my last camping trip in April. And I did come up with a small list of a couple things I want to do. I want to do a dual battery system on the front of the truck. Have one in the box up by the bumper and tie it into my truck. So there's just a couple things that I want to tweak out here and there. And but besides that, everything went fantastic. The truck I had to jump it on the generator there a couple times. So, but besides that, everything else went absolutely perfect. So. All right, guys. I hope you like the videos. Give me thumbs up if you do. If you don't, then don't. Leave a comment if you met me while we were camping, and if you like the videos. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Until next camping trip. Peace out. See ya.